Hey friends, in this short tutorial, we'll create a class structure to simulate animal behavior using JavaScript. We'll define a base class called animal and extend it into a dog subclass that overrides the son method. This is a fun way to understand how inheritance and method overriding works in JavaScript. We're building a base animal class with a sound making method. Then we'll create a dog class that adds a new property, color, and overrides the sound method. The goal is to show both the inherited behavior and the custom behavior from the subclass. Let's explore the code step by step. We start with the animal class containing two properties and a make sound method. In the dog class, we use super to call the base constructor and add a new color property. We then override this make sound method to first call the inherited behavior, then log the color. Finally, we create a dog instance and call its make sound method to see both outputs. Here's a breakdown. The animal class defines core behavior, as every animal has a sound. The dog subclass adds a new feature, color. By overriding the make sound method, we can reuse the parent logic and add custom outputs for dogs. The use of super make sound ensures we keep everything modular and reusable. When we call the dog's make sound method, it first runs the original sound logic from the parent class. Then, it adds the color specific detail in the second line. This dual output shows that method overriding doesn't replace the logic, it extends it. This pattern shows up in games, simulations, and user interfaces. Imagine each animal or bot type having its own display and behavior. Inheritance with method overriding lets us build on shared logic while customizing for each scenario. To wrap it up, we use inheritance to share common properties and behavior between classes. We then overrode the make sound method to layer in new logic without losing the base functionality. This structure is clear, efficient, and super easy to expand on later on. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.